Huawei is about to drop something huge. The Mate X-T Ultimate Design, their first ever tri-fold phone, launching on September 10th in China. The name alone hints it could be a special edition. Usually it would just be called the Mate X-T. But with words like ultimate and design in the mix, it's clear they're aiming for something special. Anyways, if you're feeling impatient, you can actually pre-order it right now on JD.com. As for whether this phone will hit global markets, that's still up in the air. If it does go global, it could happen later this year, or maybe next year. But since this is such a unique device, Huawei might decide to keep it exclusive to China. We'll just have to wait and see. Now, Huawei's being pretty secretive about the price. But here's what we do know. This isn't just a concept phone. Unlike Tecno's Phantom Ultimate 2, which was more of a teaser, the Mate X-T Ultimate is the real deal and ready to hit the market. The pre-order page gives us a few more details too. It's officially going on sale in China from September 20th, and you'll have 2 memory options to choose from: 16 plus 512 gigs or 16 gigs plus 1 terabyte. And you've got 2 color options, Ruihong and Xuanhe, which basically just means red and black. If you've seen the teasers Huawei dropped earlier this week, the Mate X-T is looking pretty slick. Unfold it, and you've got a tablet-sized screen, rumored to be around 10 inches. One more thing, this device is using a display from BOE, a top-notch screen manufacturer. BOE's chairman even mentioned that they worked closely with Huawei to make this happen on the Mate X-T. Huawei's managed to keep the thickness under 5mm when it's unfolded, which is kind of wild when you think about it. Fold it back up, and it's a normal-looking smartphone, slim enough to slide right into your pocket. Flip it over, and the back has this cool design inspired by the Mate 60RS, with an octagonal camera module that includes a periscope telephoto lens. You'll also spot the X-Mage branding on that camera island. And speaking of premium, while Huawei's keeping the price under wraps, leaks are pointing to a pretty hefty 14,900 yuan, and above pricing, that's roughly above $2,000. That's the lowdown on the Mate X-T Ultimate Design. Keep an eye out for more updates, and thanks for watching.